Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are watching my video for the first time, my name is Gitanjali Garg, and in this video we're going to talk about vision boards and some directions, manifestations for 2023. By the way, count the number of times I say manifestation in this video and put it in the comment section below. No, I am not giving any giveaways, but you never know. I might give some. This video is going to be about vision boards and a lot of direction and manifestation. And if you are somebody who wants to set some goals and some visions for the next year, by the way, I am filming this video on 7th of December, and guess what? It's just 24 days more for the new year to happen. And what a crazy and wild year it's been, especially for me. For me, it has been a crazy year. It has been a lot of self-realization and analyzation. And that reminds me of my first vision board, which wasn't even a vision board. I'm not going to show you my vision board. It was quite embarrassing because I did not make a lot of serious effort on that vision board, and that is also one reason that I could not achieve a lot of my dreams in this year. But it's never too late, and we're going to have some new directions, some new plans, and some new manifestations. So before you guys skip watching this video and jump to another one, let me just dive into the topic of the video, because you guys, your attention span is Hey guys, welcome back. Talking about vision boards. In this video, I would like to tell you all the points that I'm going to cover before I actually dive into the topic. So the things that I'm going to cover are going to be the types of vision boards, some tips on great manifestation, and the things that you would need for a good vision board. Trust me, they are not very hard things to find. You will find it very easily in your nearby stationery store, so don't worry about that. Then I will dive into the process of making vision boards, wherein I will design my vision board with you. So if you guys want to skip the video and directly move to the process, I have already mentioned the timestamp above. Talking about the types of vision boards that we have, I have seen a lot of vision boards lately while I was researching for this video, and there are largely three kinds of vision boards. One is the digital one, another one is flashcard vision board, and then we have the traditional one, which I am going to make in this video because I am a work from home person. And I think the first rule to vision board is that you should be able to see it everywhere and regularly wherever you spend the most of your time during the day. So I guess this is the place wherein I spend most of my time. It is my prayer room, my meditation room. This is where I work out. This is actually my affirmation room as well. This is where I affirm a lot and put out my affirmations to the universe. Okay, sounds a little spiritual, but yes, I think I am a little bit of spiritual person. So I guess I would want to see my vision board on the wall, and the traditional vision board is what will work for me. But if you are somebody who travels a lot and not a work from home person, then there is this very intelligent concept and very impressive. When I saw it for the first time, I was quite impressed because this is a flashcard vision board which you can carry with you, and if you're traveling somewhere, you just need to keep it in your bag and you can just see your vision anywhere, even if you're traveling and if you're not at home. I think that's the best way of creating a vision board. But since I wanted to create my very first vision board and wanted to give some personal touch, I wanted to prepare something which is traditional. Another way of going about it is creating a digital vision board. Now you can use Canva or Photoshop to create a digital vision board. All you need is some pictures according to your vision, and you can design a vision board on any of them, either Canva or Photoshop. This is something that you can keep on your bedside table, or maybe you can get it framed and also put it on the wall. I just wanted to make the traditional one in this video. So while I'm giving you some manifestation tips, I would also like to tell you the things that you would need for preparing a good vision board. I realize that I'll have to sit on the floor because my table is a small table and I don't think that I'll be able to design my vision board on that table conveniently. The space is too less. So yes, I'm sitting on the floor, and let me unpack the things that you would need for a good vision board. So I will have to unpack the soft board that I have with me, and I got it from a nearby stationery store. That's what we say in India, but I also have some of the audience which are from US. So addressing both of them, I guess this is what we call in India stationery store. I don't know what you call it in US, but this is not a very hard thing to get. Let me just unpack it and show it to you. So the size of this board is, I guess, 24 by 18 inches, which is 2 by 1.5 feet, 2 feet by 1.5 feet. And actually this is a navy blue, a darker blue version. I wanted black borders around, but this is the only thing that I got. I like this side, so anyway this is going to cover. We are not going to see this side, which is the black side, but we can utilize this, and this is also going to cover. Yeah, this is the soft board that you would need to make a vision board. And apart from this, all you need is a pair of scissors and some pictures. Yeah, am I forgetting something? Oh yes, you might need some pins as well. I just got a hold of these colorful ones. I wanted the black ones because my whole vibe of the room is black and white. And yes, right now it might not be visible, but I'm going to also plan on revamping this room and also design it in a certain way. So I wanted the black borders for this soft board and also the black pens, but anyway this is what I got hold of, and I'm going to cover it with pictures. There's nothing to worry about here, and even if there's some space left afterwards, I'm going to fill that up as well. So yeah, this is what you need. And giving you some tips on good manifestation, there are 2 rules to manifestation, and the first one is that you actually need to speak about things as if you already have them. For example, I have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Now I wish I could tell you the reality, but since I'm manifesting, I do not want to talk in no's and talk negatively about the things that I do not have. So for now, I'm just going to say that I have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, if you know what I mean, because I do not want to say it otherwise, because I do not want to manifest that. So making sure that you are speaking of all those things like you already have those things. Apart from that, the second rule of manifestation is, now this is something that everybody should do. I personally spend a lot of time in meditation. I guess I give around 1 hour of my day to meditation. But if you are somebody who is not into meditation, then I would say that you need to just spend these 5 to 10 minutes with yourself in a day, wherein you are just closing your eyes and envisioning the kind of life that you want. If you want to be a boss lady, you would want to imagine the kind of hair you have, the kind of clothes you're wearing, the kind of makeup that you have, the kind of fragrance that you're wearing, the kind of people that you are addressing, and the kind of people, office that you have every day, the car that you're driving. If you have those visions ready and set in your mind, that is another rule of manifestation, which is creating a vision and envisioning your life, imagining your life the way you want it to. So think about your vision, spend those 5 to 10 minutes in a day wherein you are able to imagine all those things you want to manifest. I do that every day for more than 45 minutes. Actually, I spend around 60 minutes of my day for meditation, and I guess that's going to pretty work for me. So yeah, that's what I would want to tell you and strongly recommend. I don't know, now with manifestation comes law of attraction as well. I don't know whether you guys believe it or not, and it's okay, it's completely your choice. You may choose not to believe it, but law of attraction, I do not want to get into law of attraction a lot in this video because this video is about vision board, but if you guys want to know about law of attraction, I'm going to mention a link in the description box and you guys can go and have a look at it. But basically, law of attraction is whatever you focus your energy on, you get it back. So if you are sending negative energy, you will get negative energy back to you. If you're giving positive energy, you will attract positive energy back to you. That is what law of attraction says in short, but if you want to read it in detail, I'm mentioning a link in the description box. You guys can go and read it out. Starting with the process of making a vision board, the first thing that you need to do as a process is, which I have already done because I already have a vision in my mind for 2023. What you need to do is be in that positive zone, sit with yourself, take a notepad and a pen and write down all the things that you want from your life and all the things that you want to manifest. Now to this, I would want to add something. My father always used to say that you should always dream big to achieve big. Never restrict yourself when it comes to your dreams, because if you're going to dream small, you are going to achieve small. And dreams are something that you have your right on. Nobody owns your dreams. Those are your dreams and you have complete full right of those dreams. Never restrict yourself on dreaming big. Dream as much bigger as you want to. Dream as limitless as you want to, because it's your fight with the universe and I don't think that anybody has any say over it. They can be personal, they can be professional, they can be financial. So never restrict yourself. Just pen down everything that you want, and once you are done, what you need to do is, I have actually taken down all these pictures from Pinterest. These are pictures related to my work-life balance, my healthy eating, the things that I would want for next year. I would want a Kia Seltos for next year, and that's the reason that I have this picture here. If you can see, I have this picture with me, and also a MacBook Pro right here. These are all the things that I would want in 2023. And also a certain lifestyle, some healthy self-care pictures here as well that I'm going to put on my vision boards with some quotes. You can also use Pinterest for your inspiration, for your vision, and get a print of it. Not only for 2023 actually, there's another tip that I would want to share, and that is you can also put some pictures for the next 5 years. For now, since it's my first vision board, I have not made a huge plan or a long-term plan. I think right now I'm just envisioning 2023, but it's not necessarily for 1 year. You can go ahead and make a vision board for next 5 years as well, but I would like to change my vision board for every year. So this is just my vision for 2023. Now while I'm cutting these pictures, I would just like to play some nice music, listen to it, and get to work. So guys, I'm pretty happy with the result. I am done with my vision board. It was a little bit of effort, but for the first time I guess it was a pretty good effort, and this is how it looks like. I don't know whether you guys are able to see it, but I am pretty happy with the result. I wish I could put it on the wall right now and show it to you, but I'm not really good at using the hammer and the nails. I would not want to risk my hands. I will wait for my husband to come in the evening and help me in putting this on the wall, and I will try that I share a picture separately with you guys on my community post on YouTube channel. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Please help me in achieving 100 subscribers threshold. Your subscription will mean a lot to me and also motivate me to keep going. Thank you for watching till the end. If you guys have any questions or queries, please DM me on my Instagram handle or email me, which I have mentioned in the description box below. Thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you guys next week with another video on my channel. Bye bye. I love you all.